Do you want to speak English fluently? Then watch this video till the very end. In this video, we will teach you 6 essential English expressions. If you master these powerful phrases, then you will speak English with clarity, confidence, and natural ease in any situations. These 6 expressions will give you endless confidence. These phrases cover the full range of everyday communication, from accepting responsibility to expressing certainty. First, I have no regrets. It means you are completely satisfied with past decisions and feel at peace with where they led you. It is used for reflecting on life choices, career paths, or personal experiences. For example, looking back at my career, I can honestly say I have no regrets. Every step led me to where I am today. Second, I have no objection. It means you agree with something or do not oppose it, a graceful way to give consent. It is used in discussions, meetings, or when someone seeks your approval. For example, if everyone else is happy with the plan, I have no objection to moving forward. Third, I have no choice. It means you are compelled to act. There are no other viable options available. It is used when you are facing unavoidable circumstances or difficult, and as well for forced decisions. For example, the storm is getting worse, so we have no choice but to stay inside. Fourth, I have no desire. It means you simply do not want something, a polite, clear way to express lack of interest. It is used for declining invitations, opportunities, or expressing personal preference. For example, thank you for the invitation, but I have no desire to go to the party tonight. Fifth, I have no excuse. It means you openly admit fault or responsibility, a sign of maturity and integrity. It is used for acknowledging a mistake, missed deadline, or personal failure. For example, I missed the deadline and I have no excuse. I should have managed my time better. Sixth, I have no doubt. It means you are completely certain, expressing strong conviction and belief without hesitation. It is used for recommending someone, affirming a decision, or declaring strong confidence. For example, she is the most qualified candidate for the job. I have no doubt she'll excel. So, putting it all together, it will give you confidence in your conversations. These 6 phrases give you the power to express a full spectrum of thought, naturally and precisely. Learning these 6 expressions will help you speak with confidence. Every expert was once a beginner. Practice these 6 expressions daily in conversations, writing, in thought, and watch your English fluency soar. Practice daily. Use one expression each day in real conversation. Stay consistent. Fluency is built through repetition and courage. Be authentic. Natural language comes from genuine expressions.